Alright guys, welcome back to a new episode of the cooking show. Valentine's Day special. This is Jeffrey, but where's Marshall?
Guys, down here.
Oh my god, he's so short!
Just kidding, guys. It's Tommy! We're making brownies.
This is season 3, episode 1. Alright guys, so we're making brownies. What are the ingredients in brownies, Tommy?
Some vanilla, some chocolate chips, some cocoa powder, baking soda, 2 eggs, sugar, flour, salt, butter.
Uh-oh, only 1 egg.
Okay guys, let's head right over to the kitchen. Okay, time to mix the dries. We're gonna get a half cup of flour. This is too much.
Here, let me assist you, buddy.
In we go. That was cool.
You did good.
Now time for 1 cup of sugar. That's pretty epic.
Sweetness.
Okay, now we do baking soda and salt. 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt.
Yay!
Sexy.
Now this.
Baking powder. I thought that was baking soda. Is that the same thing? I don't know.
You thought
Baking soda, baking powder. Is that the same thing?
My disappointment is immeasurable, and my day is ruined.
Here, I got you.
Ew.
My oops, wrong side. Got you.
Thanks.
Dump it in. Yay!
Yay!
Now, here you go, buddy.
Okay, time for 1/3 cup of cocoa powder.
And that is an okay.
Freeze! You are under arrest. You have Miranda rights, but I'm not going to read them to you because you're a bitch.
Okay, now we're gonna mix the wets. This is kind of hard for me because I have Parkinson's.
That's a go.
Yay!
Get the eggs.
Now for the eggs. Oh wait, this is already like half done. Pretty gently.
There it goes.
Yeah! You did good, guys.
Did I hear butter?
Wham!
Wait. Looking tasty. All right.
Now we're going to be mixing the wets and the dries.
It's good.
Looks like eggs.
So is there any dog in this recipe?
Oh.
No, we're not Asians.
Because I've seen enough dog for today.
What does that mean?
What does that mean? Can you elaborate?
No.
We're lucky Jesse McSwain isn't here today.
We're gonna put the brownie mix in the pan. This is funny because it looks like poop.
That was a PG joke.
It's funny because it does.
Can you do it any
Jake,
faster?
To take the brownies out the oven.
I happen to have 2 oven mitts on, so I will grab them.
We told you to.
No, you didn't.
Why not?
Oh my god! This looks so
Spicy
good!
meatballs.
This looks so awesome!
Oh my god!
Taste test.
It's tasting!
Brownie time! Oh yeah!
Look at it! It's gooey.
Happy Valentine's Day from Cryptid Fettucini!